This video will show you how to fix media lost, media not found in CapCut. Do you get this media lost, media not found message when you continue working on a CapCut project? The media tracks on the timeline are marked red. You can't continue working on the project unless you fix the issue by recovering the lost media. Panic not if you're faced with this issue. Media lost does not mean that your media clip has disappeared from CapCut. It is simply that CapCut can't find the link to the media clip. It usually happens when you delete or move the media file. Here's how to fix the problem. Right-click on the media track, then choose Link to Media. On the Link Media dialog box, choose Link Media. Next, navigate to where you moved the media file, then click Open. What if you don't remember where you moved the media file? Just take the name of the file as stated on the track. Then, use Windows Search to locate the file. Let's try it here. Let's type the full name of the media file. You can see there are quite a few results. We know our file is a video file, so we'll choose the one with the video icon and choose File Location. Note the location. Then, go back to CapCut and Link Media again. This time navigate to the folder where the file is stored. Choose the file and restore it. Your file will be successfully restored. The red mark on the media tracks has now disappeared. You can try playing the file now, and then continue editing your project. That's how you fix media lost, media not found in CapCut.
Simply click the link below to learn more.